I'm Jan.
I'm Tracy. So today we are on day 3 of our Viking River Cruise. We are in the city of Linz, which is the 3rd largest city in Austria.
And we left you yesterday. We were just getting done with our city tour in Passau. And so we walked around a little bit more, and then we came on the ship and we have sailed down the Danube down here, and had just a beautiful, beautiful day, stunning landscapes, going through the locks, which are pretty cool. And we arrived here about 6 o'clock last night.
All right, so we did our walk around Linz, a nice little tour, and went back to the ship, got some lunch, took a little bit of a nap, and now we're going to go take the tram up to a cathedral.
Yeah.
We absolutely enjoyed our time in Linz, Austria, and we are so glad you were able to come with us. If you would like to continue traveling with us and the over a dozen different cruises and 40 different countries we have planned in the near future, go on and hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, keep on traveling.